Hello and thank you for watching. Today I'll be installing one of these Magna-X filters on my power steering return line. Now last year I showed you how to flush a power steering system, and that worked great for cleaning it up and getting fresh fluid in there. This year when I checked it again, it had already started to darken and get a bit cloudy. So to prevent premature wear on the pump and other components in the power steering system, I decided to place this filter in line to help clean up the fluid when it gets returned to the pump. So here's what the filters look like. As you can see right there, that's the flow indicator, and this is a self-contained filter. You install it in line. It has a paper, magnetic, and steel screen in there, so it'll get all the magnetic particles, all the little particulates, everything in the power steering fluid that would normally clog up common elements like the line that goes to your engine fan, and then also components that cause premature wear on the power steering pump. So we'll get started on that right now. One thing you'll need besides that is about 6 inches of power steering hose return line, and this is 3/8 line with a 3/8 Magna-X filter. Well, let's get started. Now you can see it with the install finished, and of course I have my mud flap back on there. This mud flap helps keep water, sand, and mud from lodging up there on that shelf next to the electronics and leaking in down by your feet and stuff. So I installed that in the early days when I first owned the Humvees. So with that installed, I had to move the location of the filter underneath ever so slightly, and you can see it right there. Now once you've ran it and checked for leaks, don't forget to put a few ounces in your power steering reservoir right there. It will be low because of the fluid needed to fill the capacity of the filter. I'll leave links down in the description with the filter and another contender that I did contemplate using in place of this filter. I'll also try and provide a link to the video that shows you what's inside this filter and how it's made, so you can have a better understanding of how it works. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.